Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter number 1, relation and function. Relation and function. Relation and function. So first of all, we know what is relation. Before going to start relation, we know about sets. যে এটা রিলেশন হবার কারণে প্রথমতে আমার কি লাগিব সেট লাগিবই যে ফার্স্ট অফ অল এটা রিলেশন হওয়ার কারণে আমার সেটর যেহেতু দরকার হয় সাপোজ লেট A, capital A and capital B be two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. যে আমি প্রথমতে কি লইছো দুটা সেট লইছো A and B be two non-empty sets. Then a relation A to B. Okay, then a relation A to B is a subset of A cross B. ইয়াত কৈছে প্ৰথমতে A and B be two non-empty set. A আৰু B দুটা কি হ'ব লাগিব non-empty set হ'ব লাগিব. Then a relation A to B is a subset of A cross B. এতিয়া যেটো রিলেশন ফর্ম হবো এই রিলেশনটো কি হবো A cross B মানে কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট অফ A আর B যেটো কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট হবো এই প্রোডাক্টৰ এটা সাবসেট হবো কি এই রিলেশনটো কি হবো কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্টৰ এটা সাবসেট হবো তেনেকৈ যদি আমি এনেকৈ আৰু লব পাৰো if A is a non-empty set এনেকৈ আমি যদি লও যে if let A is a non-empty set A is a non-empty set then relation is denoted by R and let R is a subset of this is R is a subset of what is R is a relation then R is a subset of A cross A Cartesian product of A cross A then R is said to R is called a relation on A then R is called a relation on A যে A যদি এটা non-empty set হয় আৰু R2 যদি কি হয় R is a subset of A cross A যে A cross A কি হ'ব লাগিব R2 এটা subset হ'ব লাগিব then R is called a relation on A তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব R2 এটা রিলেশন হ'ব কাৰ ওপৰত হ'ব A ৰ ওপৰত এইটো হল আমাৰ ৰিলেশনৰ ডেফিনিশন তে আমি এটা एग्जांपल লৈছো এতিয়া A to B generally the relation A to B is denoted by R such that A to B this is shown in the figure by arrow diagrams okay by arrow diagrams so suppose the element of A are suppose A1 B1 C1 A1 A2 and A3 okay A1 A2 A3 and elements of B are suppose X1 X2 X3 X4 etc then A is related to B X1 and A2 is related to X2 and A3 is related to X4 again you can write in this way A is related to X3 A1 is related to X3 okay A1 is related to X3 here A1 is related to x1 and A1 is related to x4, A2 is related to x2, A3 is related to A4. So which can be expressed by order pair, the A2 can be order pair of likhibo which can be expressed in order pairs, which can be expressed in order pair. The order pair যদি আমি লিখো ইয়াত কি হৈছে যে a x1 লগত রিলেশন ফর্ম কৰিছে তো আমি এটো এনেকৈ লিখিম a1, x1 এটোৱে রিলেশন ফর্ম কৰিছে ওকে তাৰ পিছত এটোৰ লগত আকৌ রিলেশন ফর্ম কৰিছে a2 related to x2 and a1 also related to x3 so a1 is related to x4 also and a3 is related to x4. This is the relation. It can be expressed in relation from R is equal to within second bracket the ordered pair are a1 x1, a2 x2, a1 x4, a3 x4. This can be written in this form also. This is the relation. From this it is clear that R is a subset of A cross B because the element of A is A1, A2, A3 and element of B is x1, x2, x3, x4. If we find cross product A cross B, then element are A1, A2, A3. Cross product, the element are x1, x2, x3 and x4. Okay, then cross product is what? Then cross product is A1, x1. Cross product we got in first year class. So A1, x2, A1, x2, A1, x3, A1, x4 and A2, x2, etc. So from this it is clearly seen that R is a subset of A cross B. Hence we can define the relation R from A to the set B is a subset of A cross B such that R equal to the hence we can define relation from the set A to the set B is a subset of A cross B such that R equal to A comma B such that A is related to B where A belongs to A and B belongs to B where A belongs to A and B belongs to B and B belongs to B. So this is the relation. If A is A comma B not belongs to R, if A comma B not belongs to R, যদি A B to relation form নকৰে, then we say that A is not related to B. If A comma B not belongs to R, then A is not related to B and it is written as A is not related to B. Now we are going to discuss about total number of relation from A to B. The total numbers of relation from A to B. The A পৰা B লৈ মোট if A and B are two sets, then A পৰা B লৈ total আমি কিমান relation পাব পাৰো সেই বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম যে since R is a relation from A to B and it is a subset of A cross B, so total number of relation from A to B is total number of subsets of A cross B. Since a relation since a relation R from A to B, since a relation R from A to B is a subset of, we know, is a subset of A cross B. So total number of relation, so total numbers of relation, so total number of relation from A to B, it is equal to total number of subsets, total numbers of subsets of A cross B. ইয়াৰ পৰা বি লৈ কিমান ৰিলেশ্যন হ'ব, ইয়াৰ পৰা বি লৈ ইমানেই ৰিলেশ্যন হ'ব যে কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্টত A cross B কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্টত যে টোটেল নাম্বাৰ অফ সাবসেটস অফ A cross B, যিটো কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট ওলোৱা হ'ব A cross B, তাত যিমানটা সাবসেটস থাকিব সিমানেই হ'ব কি টোটেল নাম্বাৰ অফ ৰিলেশ্যন ফ্ৰম A to B. Okay, so suppose let number of A is equal to suppose P, number of A equal to suppose P, and number of B equal to Q. Okay, that means number of A means what? Number of elements in the set A is suppose P, and number of elements in the set B is suppose Q. Then total number of A cross B, the A cross B kiman element thakibo, then total number of elements in A cross B is the number of elements in A cross B equal to what? We know number of A, we got the formula in first year, number of A cross B equal to number of A in cross number of B. So here number of A, total number of elements in set A is what? P, and number of B, total number of elements in the set B is Q, is equal to PQ. So total number of elements in A cross B is PQ. Okay, so number of elements in the power set of A cross B, the number of elements, the number of elements in the power set of A cross B, the number of element in the power set of A cross B number of elements in the power set of A cross B, the number of element kiman thakibo power set of A cross B, the P of A cross B is equal to, we know the formula, the power set kiman thake 2 to the power n, to 2 to the power yat number of elements kiman ase A cross B ase kiman PQ, to 2 to the power PQ. Therefore number of relation from A to B is, hence total number of relation from A to B is 2 to the power PQ. So jodi amak ulabo dia the total find the total number of relation from A to B, then we use this formula 2 to the power PQ. Eta example lo asu, suppose A equal to given 1 2 3, okay, and number of B is also given, number of B equal to suppose 2. Then find a relation from A to B. So how many relation from A to B we can find? We got the number of relation here, number of A equal to what? Here number of A is 3. How many elements here? 3 elements only. 1 2 3. So this 1 2 3, number of A is 3 and number of B is given here. Therefore total number of relation from A to B, using this formula we get total number of relation from A to B is, formula is what? From relation from A to B is 2 to the power, here number of A is 3 and number of B is 2. So 2 to the power what? 3 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 6. So total number of relation, if number of A equal to 3 and number of B equal to 2, then total number of relation from A to B is 2 to the power 6. Now we are discuss about domain and range of a relation. Domain and range of a relation. যে কোনবিলাকক এটা ৰিলেচনৰ কোনবিলাকক ডোমাইন আৰু কোনবিলাকক ৰেঞ্জ বুলি কোৱা হয় সেই বিষয়ে আমি এতিয়া আলোচনা কৰিম যে if R is a relation from A to B, suppose if R is a relation from A to B, যে R এটা রিলেশন হয় তার উপৰত from A to B এটা রিলেশন হয়, then set of all the first coordinates of elements R is called domain. What is called domain? Is called domain. And set of all second coordinates and set of all second coordinates is called range. Okay, is called range. যে যদি A আৰু B পৰা এটা ৰিলেশন ফ্ৰম হয় হেতু যদি R হয় তেতিয়াহলে ফার্স্ট কোঅর্ডিনেটস অফ দি এলিমেন্টস R is called domain and second যিবিলাক আছে and the set of all second coordinates is called the range. আৰু second যিখিনি coordinates থাকিব এইখিনি কি কোৱা হ'ব range বুলি কোৱা হ'ব of R. range R কি হ'ব এইখিনি range হ'ব range of R হ'ব এইখিনি কোৱা হ'ব range of R. এতিয়া আমি এটা एग्जांपल লৈছো, the let suppose R is a relation from A to B, then since it is a relation, here elements of A comma B, sorry, this is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 6 comma 3 comma 6, etc. Okay, then what are the domains of this? Domains of this is domain of R is denoted by D of R. Okay, D of R, small d or capital D of R. That means domain of R equal to what? D of R. This is equal to domain, the first element. According to this definition, the first elements are the domain. So here domain is 1, here is also 1, 2 and 3. So domain is 1, 2, 3 are the domain, and range is denoted by small r of R is equal to what are the range, and second elements are the range. So 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6 are the range of this relation. ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেন্টত জনাব, যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিব, আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন ভিডিও পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব।